More good news. This is an article from Politico. It's by Quinn Forgy and Caitlin Opresco. Yeah, all right. Let's just go with that. Now, it's an article titled Trump Announces, then Reverses Freeze on Funding for World Health Organization. Um, President Trump on Tuesday announced plans to put a hold on the World Health Organization, accusing the United Nations specialized agency of being very China centric and criticizing its early guidance aimed at countering international spread of the virus. This organization failed. It, they're clearly serving China's interests. They were lying on behalf of China while taking money from the United States. It's a betrayal, not only of just the United States, but the entire world. You set up this organization to protect the world from pandemics, from diseases, to inform everybody what's going on. They didn't do their due diligence to investigate. They did not. They just took China's funds and smiled, even though the United States paid more to China. But you might as well serve two masters. That's the way I look at it. That's what you're trying to do. So we're going to put a hold on the money spent to the WHO. We're going to put a very powerful hold on it, and we're going to see, Trump said, an outset of the virus task force briefing at the outset of the virus task force briefing at the White House. Minutes later, though, the president walked back the declaration, telling reporters he was looking into it and considering that a global pandemic was maybe not the best time funding for the international, and that's a fair. I think that's really fair. Let's assess things after it passes. Let's assess things after. Sometimes like people overreact, and this is the problem. There's a lot of problem with people who have who aren't emotionally mature, right? They tend to have reactions based on the events right after. Sometimes you have to wait, you have to think about it, you have to think about stuff. This is how you get ideas. You make logical ideas. You have to think about it. You have to meditate on these things sometimes. You have to weigh the pros and cons. You have to decide who's lying. You need more facts. You need more evidence. Anyway, I mean, I'm not saying I'm going to do it, but we're going to look at just what Trump said, denying the comments from minutes earlier. See the way they're phrasing this. He's denying comments. All right, we see how political leans. We know how political works. I said we're going to look into it. We're going to investigate. That's fair enough, right? The WHO really blew it for some reason. Funded largely by the United States, yet very China-centric. We will be giving that a good look. Absolutely, absolutely. Throughout the administration's process to the pandemic, the president has repeatedly promoted his decision in late January to close the border to foreign nations who have recently been to China, while instituting a mandatory 2-week quarantine for U.S. citizens returning from the countries who, by province, the epicenter of the outbreak. Yeah, and again, this is the thing. You should have closed the borders immediately. He tried, but he was met with the same usual racism, probably sexism. Again, these are just tools, and the media knows this. The low members of the media just have talking points of the higher ups. The higher ups know what they're pushing. They know exactly what they're doing. Politico is actually a well written. I really love Politico. It's actually well. They have a well. The staff is really good at their jobs. I mean, like when they write really well. Again, some of the things about writing in journalism, you want like short paragraphs, and they do a really really good job. And for those who want to write journalism, like you want to have like little like breaks in your quotes. You just want to have a paragraph of an entire quote. So basically, the break would be like right here, for example, the WHO reported, right? That adding such measures could interrupt. See how like there's a quote, you break the quote up, and then you finish the quote off here. That's a really good way to write articles. If those who ever want to get into the don't know why you would, who want to get into the journalism field. Right now, it doesn't take talent. You just have to say insane crap that agrees with the leftist point of view. Sadly, That's how you really get into the industry today. But hopefully things change where actually talent emerges again. And one of those things that you really want to do for those who want to do journalism is that you want to have maybe 20 to 30 words per paragraph. And I wish this would also be done in the school system because kids are poor writers, and also like big paragraphs can intimidate kids. And also as an adult, when you read these things, it's sometimes you get lost in the entire paragraph. So it's better to have like a 1 to 3 sentence paragraph. This is just my opinion. I wish they would do this in school. Like school should teach the journalism form of writing. My opinion. All right, guys. So again, this is a political magazine, and hopefully Trump uh, basically defunds the World Health Organization. They deserve to burn for what they did. All right, guys. Take care. Hope you enjoy. I will post a link in the description. You can read yourself. Take care. Share, say, subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. That's what people say to do. Be safe. Do what's right.